If you're looking to buy a house anytime in the future, there is a good chance that you are keeping a very close eye on the interest rates as they go up and down. And there's also a good chance that you're waiting for just the right moment for those interest rates before you dive into the housing market. Well, today on Hump Day Help Tips, I want to give you a couple other things that you can do to help navigate it and still today get into buying a house. The first thing that you can do is you can ask the seller to pay down some of that interest rate with your closing costs. Right now, you can buy down a point or even 3/4 of a point, anything you want to do, and ask the seller to pay for it. Sellers and builders are doing some great things right now with closing costs to help with that very thing. The second thing that you can do is refi later. You can always, a couple months down the road, a year down the road, once interest rates, maybe if they come down, then you can always talk with your lender, refi your loan, and you're still paying less than you would if you waited to pay the then increased cost of the home. And the third thing that you can do is you can pay down some of your debt. I know that buying a house is a very expensive proposition as it is, but lenders are going to use a debt to income ratio to help determine what that interest rate is going to be. And so if you can pay down some of your debt, that makes your debt to income ratio much more favorable and helps you get a better interest rate. So a couple things that you can do to help pay down or get that interest rate lower and even navigate the market right now. If you have questions about that or anything else, DM me. I'd love to chat. But until next week, this is Hump Day Help Tips.